Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Angie from Shark Tale in our fun 2D cartoon style inspired by the original concept of the movie. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps these tutorials coming. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's enjoy this drawing together. If any part of the drawing feels a bit tricky, feel free to pause the video anytime and follow along at your own pace. Angie is one of the main characters in Shark Tale, released in 2004 by DreamWorks Animation. She is Oscar's best friend and works with him at the Whale Wash, a parody of a car wash, but for whales. Angie is known for her kind heart, loyalty, and hard-working personality. Unlike many characters in the film, she represents honesty and emotional depth rather than fame or status. Her design is inspired by a blend of human features and fish anatomy, giving her expressive facial emotions. In the original English version, Angie is voiced by actress and singer Renee Zellweger. Shark Tale features a star-studded cast, including Will Smith, Robert De Niro, Angelina Jolie, and Jack Black. The movie mixes underwater life with urban, city-like culture, creating a unique and stylized world. Many locations in the film are inspired by real-life cities, especially New York. The film plays with themes like identity, honesty, and the pressure to fit in.
Angie stands out as one of the most genuine and grounded characters in the story.
If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And check out our playlist with other Shark Tale characters. Just click the card up there. Also, tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? The animation style of Shark Tale is known for exaggerating facial features to resemble the actors who voice them. This gives the characters a very distinct and recognizable look compared to other animated films. Despite being a comedy, the movie carries important messages about staying true to yourself.
Over the years, Angie has become a beloved character among fans of the film. For colors, we're using vibrant pink tones for Angie's body, purple and bluish tones for the fins, and softer highlights for the face, with darker shades for shadows and lighter tones for highlights to bring everything to life.
But of course, feel free to get creative and use any colors you like. And here's our Angie, stylish, expressive, and full of charm in this cartoon version. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.